All right, so it's still 𝗕𝗿𝗄𝗃 speaking. All right, welcome to the channel, and today we're going to be talking about the right way to identify trends. All right, we're going to be talking about the right ways to identify trends. Okay, now a lot of you really, okay, I must say this, a lot of you possibly, not even possibly, I've seen it. All right, a lot of you identify trends the wrong way. Okay, you guys identify trends the wrong way. You've not yet come to the realization of the ideology behind trend identification. All right, so I'm just gonna be running that down ASAP, okay, so that you can get the main info and then we move. All right, now when we talk about trends, okay, when we talk about trends, we have three types of trends. Okay, we have the uptrend. All right, we have the uptrend, and then we also have the downtrend. All right, we have the downtrend, and then we also have what? The sideways trend. We have the sideways trend. Now, these are three types of trend. Okay, three types of trend. This is the uptrend. This is the downtrend, and then this is what? The sideways trend. Okay. Now, you must understand something. You must understand that in an uptrend, okay, we also have downtrends in an uptrend. The reason why we call this an uptrend is because the overall movement is going up. The overall movement is going up. If you are actually going to connect the starting of this trend over here to the ending, where is the trend line headed? It's heading up. Okay. Now, doing that on the downtrend, chart, okay, doing that for the downtrend, if we are actually going to what, mark the beginning of this downtrend to the end, where is the trend line facing? It's facing down. This is a downtrend. All right. Now, if you're going to do that for the sideways trend, okay, if you're gonna mark the beginning of this sideways trend to the what, to the end of the sideways trend. Now, is this trend line facing up? Now, in as much as you might want to be let me say logic, how was it called? In as much as you're gonna want to be logical enough, all right, to say this is going up, you must also look at the price movement and know that really, this price is not going anywhere. It is moving sideways. It is moving sideways. The differences is too much. It's going up, going down, breaking the trend lines too much. So this is a sideways market. All right? This is a sideways market. Now, in an uptrend, you must understand that in an uptrend, we also have what? Downtrends. Now, price is fractal. Price is fractal. What I'm trying to say is that if you go to the real market chart, you will not see price moving this smoothly. You're going to see something like this. All right, let me show you. You're going to see something like this. You're going to see an uptrend in this uptrend. You're going to see an uptrend in this uptrend. Then you're going to see a downtrend here, guys. This place is actually a downtrend too. It's actually a downtrend. Then you're going to see what? An uptrend again. Price is fractal. The fractal nature of price. This is what we talk about when we see price is fractal. This is what we talk about. So you're going to see this on the smaller time frame. So in an uptrend, there are also downtrends in an uptrend. Now, this is what we talk about, okay? This is how you're going to see price. You're going to see that, okay, if this happens to be the H4 time frame, all right, we have an overall uptrend on the H4 time frame. If you go down to the M15 time frame, you realize that here might be a downtrend. Here is a downtrend. Not even might, there's actually going to be a downtrend. Now, it means that even on the 15 minutes time frame, depending on how huge this downtrend is, you can even sell in this downtrend. Not minding the fact that you are on a massive uptrend on the higher time frame. But if you are going to trade on a higher time frame, you better follow the trend, okay? It's better you look for buying opportunities in the direction of your buyers. This is just the same thing. It's also the inverse for what? For the downtrend. Okay, it's also the inverse for downtrend. In the downtrend, you're going to also see uptrend in the downtrend. there are also uptrends in the downtrends. Also uptrends in the downtrends. You can also see uptrends in the downtrend. Uptrend here, uptrend here, uptrend here. All right. Now, in this overall downtrend, the logic or the ideology behind this is that the down moves are going to be more than the up moves, because this is an overall, I'm coming, guys. Because this is an overall downtrend. It is a downtrend. It means that the sellers are in control of the market at this point. So the move to the downside is going to be more than the move to the upside. But in an uptrend, the buyers are in control. So the move to the upside is going to be more than the move to the downside. Now, in an uptrend, we refer to the upward move as the impulsive move, because we believe and we see that that one will go with momentum. But then we refer to the downward move as what? The corrective move. Because it's just like somebody is running, for instance, and then he wants to chill and take a break. Okay, let's say he runs for 10 minutes, and then he wants to take a break. He will not take a 10 minutes break. He will do that on a rare occasion. But if a runner, an athlete is running, he runs for 10 minutes, he might just stop to take a 3 minutes break. And then he's going to keep running again for maybe another 10 minutes. He pauses, takes a 4-minute break, keep running. Now, him running for 10 minutes is an impulsive run. In referral to Forex, it's an impulsive run. And then him resting for 3 minutes is what? A corrective move. Okay, just to gather momentum. So now in Forex, this on a downtrend, the down movement is referred to. The down movement is referred to what? Is referred to as an impulsive move in a downtrend. Is referred to as an impulsive move. And then the upward move that corrects price is referred to as a corrective move. Now, something you need to know about this corrective move is that the corrective move should not exceed 100% of the impulsive move. If this corrective move exceeds 100% and peradventure, okay, now when we talk about 100%, let me explain, because I just feel in my spirit now that someone will be asking, what is this 100%? What is 100% again? Now, the beginning of this move from here to where it ended down here, all right? Till this point that it ended here, okay, the beginning of this move. Now, from here to here is what? From here, from this point here, from point A here to point B here is what? 100%. If you use your Fibonacci, you're going to see it 100%, okay? Sorry. If you use your Fibonacci, you're going to see it's what? It's 100%. Let me use my Fib. Oh, let me use my Fib. Okay? You're going to see it's 100%. Here, all right? This is 0 to 1, 0 to 100, all right? Now, this movement is 100%. Now, this corrective move should not exceed. This corrective move can actually go above 50%. It can go above 50, it can go above the 61%. It can go above 90%, but it should not exceed 100%. Once this corrective move have exceeded 100%, we are most likely no longer on a downtrend. We will stop looking for sales at this point. So we don't want to see the corrective move exceed 100%. We want to see it below what? 100%. We want to see it below this previous high. All right? So that is what you must know. The same thing for the uptrend. We do not want to see this low exceed the previous low that was formed. No. We do not want to see that. All right? We also want to see it above. So if peradventure this low sells below the previous one, we are no longer on an uptrend. All right? So that is what you must know. Now, when we come to identifying trend, okay, let me go over to the real chart and give just some illustration. All right, let me go and give, because some people send me some charts. Okay, some traders send me some charts and they were like, boss, is this an uptrend? And then obviously that was actually a sideways market, and it's not good. If you cannot identify trends, then I really do not know what you're actually doing in the forex market. You need to learn how to identify trends. It's very important. All right, it's very, very important. I understand you're beginners, but then take the work, take the challenge to learn how to identify trends. It's very, very important. Now, if I might ask you, what trend is this? Someone might want to say it's an uptrend. For God's sake, this is a sideways trend. All right. And if you just said sideways trend, then applause to you. All right. So this is a sideways trend, because in as much as you can see that price maybe moved from here to here, but then look at how the market is right now. This is a sideways trend. Okay. This is a sideways trend. sideways trend. That is how you identify this kind of trends. But then when you come and say from this point to this point, yes, if you see an uptrend, then you are correct, because this is an uptrending market. The market is going up. It's going up. It's going up. From here, from this point, okay? Of course, it's a downtrend market. Yeah, you got that. You got that. You got that. That's a downtrend market. That is a downtrend market. And then from this point again, all right, from this point again, we have what? An uptrending market. An uptrending market, okay? Now, at this point, what do we have? Of course, it's a sideways market. We have what? A sideways market. Now, there are different ways to trade this market, okay? Stick to this channel and I'm going to teach you that also. There are different ways to trade the sideways market, there are different ways to trade the uptrending market, and there are different ways to trade the downtrending market. Now, I explained something to you earlier. I told you that price is fractal, right? Now, we actually took out these illustrations on the 1 minute or the 1 hour time frame. Let's go back to the daily time frame or the H4 time frame and see what the trend looks like over there. Let's see what the trend looks like over there. Now, you can see that the H4 time frame is on a downtrend. You can see the H4 time frame is what? Is on a downtrend from here. It's on a downtrend. It's an overall downtrend. Okay. But then you can see that in the downtrend, we have what? We saw uptrends, we saw downtrends, we saw sideways trends. All right. Now, but when you are trading, if you are not a swing trader and you're looking at H4 or daily, the trend from this point to this point that is this huge does not concern you. If you are a day trader, if you just want to catch 4, 3, 5 hours or 1 hour, even some of you, this huge trend does not concern you. People who are really going to trade with this massive trend, okay, identification in mind, are swing traders. But hey, that's why I say people should learn to. People should actually pay and learn how to trade. There's what they call buyers, all right? Now, if I want to trade as a day trader, okay, I'm not going to go to my daily time frame. And all I need to know in my daily time frame is not the trend. I am not interested in the trend when it goes to my daily time frame. I just want to see the candlestick that formed previously. That is all I want to see on the daily time frame. The candlestick that formed, how it closed, and where it formed. As simple as that is. This is all I want to see. The candlestick that formed previously. But when I will actually pay attention to trend is as a day trader is when I go to my 15 minutes time frame and my 1 hour time frame. All right, that's when I'm going to pay attention to trend and say, oh, is this actually on an uptrend? Is this a sideways trend or is this a downtrend? But on the daily, I'm not paying attention to trends. On the H4, I will most likely not pay attention to trends. All right, so I believe you have learned how to identify trends and you've also learned additional things about trade. Stick to this channel to learn more about trading. All right, I'm happy to teach you. I wish you happy learning. I wish you are happy trading. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. It's free. I post daily chart analysis on boom or crash. And just to show you guys, we have really been doing amazing things this period as always. All right, we have really been doing amazing things. You can see how we're making profits in the VIP. All right, I've sent analysis. People who follow analysis are making money. All right, so join the Telegram channel. Join the Telegram channel to actually make money. All right, you're gonna see my daily chart analysis, and you can actually use that if you want direct entries. Then you can actually join the VIP. All right. But then, okay, don't forget to message me on WhatsApp, all right? I offer valuable content on my WhatsApp. Things you don't want to miss, I bet you. All right? Check my description box, all right? I have a gift for you. I have a PDF in there for you, free of charge, my PDF. That's actually a 𝗕𝗿𝗰𝗿 psychology. And don't forget to message me on WhatsApp. I'll be waiting for you. And I would love to have you, all right? It's your trader King Wesley, and I'm signing out.